Well, hello again. My wife bought me this padlock from a charity shop, and that is brand new. It's a 40 millimeter, but I thought I would do a mini lock Monday with it because it's got a very small keyway. I've got another one that she also bought me, but not from a charity shop, and you can see it's a small keyway. It's an odd keyway actually, and well, that one's going to look. It looks identical to it. What's those keys look like? Yeah, they're sort of, I don't know, bits of nondescript. But anyway, it's a 40 millimeter, but actually it's not 40 millimeters if I remember rightly. Anyway, let's stop prattling on and cut it open. See if that work. Yeah. Right, okay. Right, am I going to go top of the keyway with this? I have to tip this out, I think. Can't see very well today for some reason. Let's give that one a crack. No, definitely not that one a crack. Oh, gold. That one. Yeah, that'll fit in. Probably bottom of the keyway might have been better actually, and that one. That's always the last one. That one. I don't know whether this is right for it or not. Anyway, let's give it a crack. Nothing's happened. I think I'm going to have to go bottom of the keyway with this. Even that one's probably not. I'm fiddling around this morning. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Don't like this one either actually, but so I can bounce it open. Can't get it in there. Can't get it in there. So the bishop to the actress. My lock did a massive mini lock Monday this morning. Absolutely bloody massive it was. This is only 8 millimeters across there. His was about, I don't know, 20 millimeters or something massive. It was a massive mini lock Monday did this morning. Massive. Blew my head off. This is a can't feel a thing in there actually. That's definitely not going to work. Let's give it the old big pick. Only comes out on special occasions. This thing does that. Actually, that's it. Bottom of the keyway is no good. Where's my favourite top of the keyway thing? There it is. Let's see if this works. This is a funny old tension tool, but gives you a bit more room. I've gone all quiet. Need to go quiet. Actually, I'll tell you something, guys. I can't feel a bloody thing in there. This is not working. Not working at all. And that's too thick. It's much too thick. Very small keyway this actually. These locks are difficult to pick for me. I've because you can't feel anything inside it at all. There's one. They're horrible locks, these. They're meant to be made of cast iron. Sorry, I think I've drifted off camera there. Drifting. I had a rotten night's sleep last night, and I can't think properly this morning. Yeah. I'm doing what's his name here? Don't often see me pick upside down, actually. Something I don't like. I don't like picking upside down. But I really can't feel the pins at all. Nothing. That was one, I think. There we go. Cool, bloody hell, what a performance. Oops. Let's open it up. There's the bitting on the key in the end. That was the one that opened it up, the number 1. Very high. 40 millimeter cast iron padlock, made in China from Handy Home. It's what do you call it? Someone didn't want it and they gave it to the charity shop. Massive Mini Lock Monday. Cheers, folks. See you around.